Hello everyone, my name is Derek, Victor Alpha 4, Alpha Foxtrot Kilo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the iOS code on a Cisco 3850 series switch stack from 3.x.x to 16.x.x. First thing we do before we do anything else is we need to make sure that we have space available on the flash, so we're going to run software clean. Next, we need to copy the bin file to the active active switches flash. To do this, I'm going to use the USB key just to save time. So we're going to see which file we need to grab. We're going to upgrade to 16.3.3. So we're going to copy USB flash to flash. Leave the file name the same. Once the file's copied over, we're going to regenerate the RSA crypto key used for SSH. And the 16.3.5 release notes, Cisco tells you if you're upgrading from a 3.x.x to regenerate these keys, otherwise you won't be able to SSH into the box again. So for completeness of this tutorial, I will regenerate the keys now. To do this, we go crypto key generate RSA general keys with a modulus of 124. Now that that has completed, we will begin the actual software upgrade process. To do this, we go software, install, file, and then flash, which is the location. We put in the file name, and then switch. And then we enter the amount of members, the number of members that we have in our stack. This is a 2-switch stack. If you have 4 switches, you would go 1-4. If you had 5, 1-5, etc. And then I do verbose, just so I know what's actually happening. New, because we need to create a new packages.conf file to be used by the boot up process. And then force, which is very important because we're going from one major version of code to another. This will force the actual upgrade process, otherwise the package compatibility check will fail. So we go ahead and press enter. This will copy the required file to all the members in the stack, and then begin the actual upgrade process. Now that the upgrade process has completed, you're prompted if you wish to do a stack reload now. We're going to go ahead and go yes. And we want to make sure we save the configuration file. Don't be surprised if the reboot process takes anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes, as there's going to be a ton of microcode upgrades that need to happen, and the switch wants to make sure all the members in the stack are possibly up during the election process and all the other fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead and click yes. Alright, now that the stack has reloaded, we'll go ahead and go back into the switch, and we'll do a show ver. And as we can see here, our two 3850s are running 16.3.3 in the install mode. Once you've completed this upgrade process, I highly recommend, after you're happy with the code running in production after a while, that you remove any unnecessary files. To do this, you request platform software package, clean, switch, all, file, flash. Go ahead and press enter. Okay, we notice that the old files are going to be deleted. We wish to proceed, so we're going to press Y. Next, we're going to save the configuration. Because there is a different version, you're going to be prompted. Press OK or enter. And that's it. That's how you upgrade a Cisco 3850 series stack from iOS 3.x.x to 16.x.x. Thanks for watching.